Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best bamboo trees is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing plants you can introduce to your home or garden, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, rapid growth, and a touch of exotic tranquility that can transform any space into a serene oasis, making it a popular choice for landscapers and home decorators alike seeking to add a touch of the tropics. Number 5. Maia Shop 6-foot artificial bamboo tree. Introducing the Maia Shop 6-foot artificial bamboo tree, a stunning addition to any home or office. It brings a touch of nature indoors without any of the hassle. This realistic fake plant comes complete with a black pot, ready to be placed anywhere. You can also use your own decorative pot for a personalized touch. With its natural trunk and lush, lifelike leaves, this artificial bamboo tree adds a fresh, modern look to any room. It's designed to enhance your living space effortlessly. Setting up is a breeze. This pre-assembled tree features flexible canes and leaves that you can shape to your liking. Just unbox, style, and enjoy its natural beauty. Measuring 31 inches wide and 71 inches high, it's the ideal size for various locations. The included nursery pot measures 6 inches wide and 6.8 inches high. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with this maintenance-free artificial tree. It's perfect for creating warm, inviting environments in homes, hotels, or commercial spaces. What we like? This artificial tree offers a lifelike appearance with lush leaves and a natural trunk. It comes pre-assembled and ready to be styled, making it incredibly convenient. If you desire a touch of nature in your home or office without any upkeep, this is the perfect choice for instant decor. What people say? The plant arrived in excellent condition, healthy and well packaged. The bamboo stalks are thick and sturdy, indicating good quality. It's a fast-growing variety, which is great for creating a privacy screen quickly. Number 4. NW Wholesaler 4 Live Lucky Bamboo Plant. This bundle includes 10 stalks of 4-inch lucky bamboo, carefully packed in water gels to ensure they arrive hydrated and healthy. Please note, these are intended for indoor use only. When ordering during fall and winter, please check the weather forecast along the transit route. Live tropical plants can be damaged by temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Caring for your new plant is easy. Remove the shipping gels, place it in a vase with plenty of water, and keep it out of direct sunlight. Never plant it in soil. These 4-inch straight stalks offer endless decorating possibilities. Use them together in one planter, split them as party favors, or create unique arrangements. Beyond bringing good fortune, these bamboo stalks are perfect for home and office decor. Add a touch of life and luck to your desk, windowsill, or any space. Place them in your favorite planter and showcase them on your desk, counter, or kitchen table. Let these lucky bamboo stalks bring a sense of fortune to your surroundings. What we like? This bundle provides 10 4-inch live lucky bamboo stalks, perfect for creating various arrangements. They are easy to care for, requiring only water and indirect light. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of good fortune and greenery to multiple spots or as party favors, this versatile option is ideal. What people say? The bamboo trees are healthy and arrived in good condition. The plants are a good size and appear to be well rooted. The packaging was secure and protected the plants during shipping. Number 3. AVERGO Bonsai Tree Kit Classic. Discover the joy of cultivating your own unique Japanese bonsai trees. This complete indoor starter kit provides everything you need to begin your gardening journey. Our DIY bonsai kit is designed for beginners, offering all the essential components for growing beautiful bonsai plants right at home. Start with our most popular varieties, including crepe myrtle, flame tree, and blue jacaranda. You'll have a diverse selection to nurture and grow. Looking for a unique gift? This bonsai kit is ideal for plant lovers of all ages, making it a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or Mother's Day. We've included extra seeds to ensure your success. While our seeds have a high germination rate, these extras give you even more chances to grow your perfect tree. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, this kit is perfect for everyone. Enjoy the rewarding experience of growing bonsai, no matter your skill level. What we like? This is a comprehensive bonsai starter kit designed for beginners, offering everything needed to grow your own trees. It even includes extra seeds for a higher chance of success. If you enjoy hands-on activities and are looking for a rewarding gardening project or a unique gift, this DIY kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The bamboo trees are live and healthy upon arrival. The plants are well packaged and arrived without any damage. These bamboo trees are a great addition to any garden, adding a tropical feel. Number 2. Costa Farms Lucky Bamboo Live Plant. Invite good luck and prosperity into your space with this classic symbol. It's a unique and stylish real plant that shines as a decorative accent for any room. This houseplant is resilient and low maintenance, thriving even with neglect. It's a perfect, hassle-free choice for busy individuals or new plant owners. This plant is a classic symbol of good fortune. It helps create a calming, balanced environment that enhances positive mood and well-being. This living and thoughtful present is ideal for birthdays, housewarmings, or holidays. Brighten a loved one's day with this beautiful indoor plant. Your beautiful, healthy live indoor plant arrives fresh from our farm. It comes secured in specialized packaging, ready to be placed right in your home. What we like. This Live Lucky bamboo plant is a beautiful symbol of luck and prosperity, arriving healthy and ready to enhance your space. It's incredibly easy to maintain, thriving with minimal care. If you want to bring positive energy and a touch of natural elegance into your home or office with a hassle-free plant, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bamboo is healthy and has a good root system. The plant arrived quickly and was well packaged. The bamboo is a good size and looks great in its pot. Number 1. 4 inches straight Lucky Bamboo, 20 stalks. Introducing our beautiful 4-inch straight Lucky Bamboo, sold in convenient sets of 20 stalks. These are the perfect size for creating stunning arrangements. These are our smallest and most popular size, ideal for anyone looking to craft their own unique Lucky Bamboo displays. They offer great versatility for your creative projects. Each stalk is healthy, vibrant green, and truly beautiful. They make a wonderful addition to any space for good feng shui or as a thoughtful gift. Caring for them is incredibly simple. Just ensure they have fresh water and keep them out of direct sunlight to maintain their lush appearance. Whether you're designing an intricate arrangement or searching for a meaningful present, these are an excellent choice. They bring a touch of nature and good fortune. Bring a touch of natural beauty and positive energy into your home or office. They are a simple yet elegant way to enhance any environment. What we like. This offer provides 20 stalks of 4-inch straight Lucky Bamboo, the most popular and smallest size, perfect for arrangements. They are healthy, green, and simple to care for, needing only water and shade from direct sun. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to create multiple Lucky Bamboo displays or gifts, this generous bundle is ideal. What people say. The bamboo is healthy and has a good root system. The plant arrived quickly and was well packaged. The bamboo is a good size and looks great in its pot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.